been wearing my hair 2 weeks straight now. My scalp is like, oh. I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink for the purposes of this video. Like, it's not even all the way straight now because my hair goes well past, like almost down to my butt. And when it's really straight. My daughter Deja, we both let out our hair at the same time. And if you are connected with us on Instagram, then you know that already. And you've seen the video clips of us doing it. But she did her own hair this time, and she was going for a really, really straight press look. So it'll be interesting to see if she got any heat damage. And now I'm just using a Tresemme shampoo that I picked up because I didn't have any shampoos in the house that had sulfates in them, and I wanted to use a sulfate shampoo to really cleanse and strip my hair of all the silicones that were in the products that I used to straighten my hair, from the prepping to the blow drying and then the actual straightening. So I just grabbed a shampoo that had sulfates in it. And this is what I'm going to be using today for the treatment. I have never used this product before. I just picked it up in the hair store, and I think I like it. My curls were like giving me life after the treatment. So I wanted the steamer that I sent back because I did not like it. The head of it was just too small compared to the one that I had prior. It was a standalone unit on wheels, but somehow I broke the water cup on it, so I need to find me another one. I sent this bad boy back right after I used it because it was just, as you can see right here, it did not cover my whole head. Okay, it's safe to say the curls are back. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I will be showing you a new duo combination that I use to style my hair.